So this portfolio website you are seeing was created using a free tool. Well, the tool is not free though, but from now to the 25th of August, Manus AI is giving its users an opportunity to use its website for free. And that's why immediately you see this video, please hop on this update. I created my portfolio website using Manus AI, and here it is. So in case you don't know Manus AI, because I know a lot of you are just hearing it for the first time, well, you can just go and make your own research about it. But Manus AI does a lot. Websites building apps. It is a lot. So let me just show you how you can create your own website, and let me show you how you can get your prompts from scratch, because I use ChatGPT to get my prompts. But let me just show you how I did it. Now you see how extensive this is, because I actually created the first one. I didn't like it, so I went on to ChatGPT to get another, because it's quite a lot of details too. But when you are going to be creating your portfolio, I've always told you how to talk to ChatGPT, how to use the microphone icon, this particular microphone icon here, to explain what you want to achieve to ChatGPT. That was simply what I did. So I said I was exploring Manus AI, though it didn't get the pronunciation correctly here. It's supposed to be Manus, but I said I'm exploring Manus AI, and I wanted to create a portfolio website for my brand. So I don't know how it's going to be like. I don't know what I'm going to add in it, but I just need you to help me list out or write a prompt I can use, a prompt I can give to Manus AI to create this for me. So you see, I just gave it that notion of, okay, I don't know what I'm about to do, just help me. So that's why I tell you, okay, just brainstorm with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT already knows about me and it knows what I do. So it goes on to say, as for RIRAH CREATES, I'll not make this okay, and all of that. So this is the website structure ChatGPT gave to me. You see, from this simple prompt. So in your own case, you can go on to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that, okay, you want to create a website for your brand. This is what you do. This is who you are. And you don't know what should be in the website, but you're going to be using Manus AI. ChatGPT, of course, knows what Manus AI is capable of doing. And once ChatGPT gives you the prompt, you go over to Manus AI. Now, this is the first prompt it gave to me. You can see it contains what I do. The prompt is supposed to contain who RIRAH CREATES is, what I create, my portfolio, why brands choose me, my services, how it works, testimonials, content education, case studies, call to action, and then my contact info. And then it created a prompt. So this is the extensive prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. Though I'm going to try to craft something for you. It already knows the colors I make use of. So in your case, your color might be green, gray, red, or something. But this is what ChatGPT eventually came up with. So I copied this prompt and then I gave it to Manus AI. But I didn't really like the first portfolio it created for me. Let me show you that one. So this is the first portfolio that Manus AI created for me. And as you can see, one of the reasons I didn't like it was because I didn't add videos here. I just have the written parts here. There's no video. There is nothing. It's just plain. So I wanted something that was going to have the videos I've actually created, instead of me going back to edit to add the videos again. Hence the reason for creating another prompt. So this is the first one. I didn't really like it, like I said. So I went back again to ChatGPT, and let me scroll down. The prompt is really long. I went back to ChatGPT and then told it that, now the thing is, I am not an expert website builder, but I know what I wanted. So I went back to explain to it, and then I told it that, okay, I didn't really like the previous one, and I wanted to upload my videos. I wanted my videos to be shown. I already had the idea of, okay, someone comes into the website and then you see my videos showing, everything is arranged, you see my pictures, everything is just there looking perfect. So I explained this to ChatGPT here, like, how do I add, like, okay, I'm thinking of a website where I can upload my videos there. My videos are going to be showing, not just the links. I didn't want a situation whereby you would just have to click the link and then get to another part. You can see the videos for yourself. That was the kind of website I wanted. So ChatGPT said, okay. So this is what ChatGPT went on to do. I'm just telling you how to do yours, because prompting is something that every AI content, in fact, not AI content creator alone, everybody should know how to prompt. So ChatGPT went on to give, I'm just showing you the step-by-step process, so you know that you can also do yours using a step-by-step process. But I don't like the updates it gave to me. So I went on to tell it to create a new prompt from beginning to the end. Like, I can just copy that prompt and then paste to Manus AI. Let me scroll down again and show you what we went on to do. So I said, okay, write the entire prompt from beginning to the end. Write the full prompt, everything. So this is the complete prompt from beginning to the end. This is the complete prompt. This is the complete prompt. This is the complete prompt. So what I did was I went over to Manus AI, and I'm going to leave the link for you to access Manus AI. I'm going to leave it in the comment section. By the way, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment in the comment section, and feel free to watch my other videos. So here is me now talking to Manus AI. So let me show you what I did. I went over to Manus AI and I uploaded the videos I wanted to be in the website, as you can see, because immediately you get here, you can see this plus icon here, right? You see this plus icon, click on it, and then you click on add from local files. So you can add the videos, the images that you want inside. You can see you can do so many things with Manus AI. You can create slides, you can build websites, you can design, you can build mobile apps, you can do so much with it. This is a tool that many people do not know about. It's crazy. The agent feature is crazy. So this is it. And then I went on to add my social media links, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the rest of that. And then I pasted the prompt I got from ChatGPT. I'm just showing you the guide though. So I pasted the prompt. This is it. And one beautiful thing about Manus AI is it's going to make it mobile friendly and then desktop friendly. I also went on to add my logos. I added so many videos, as you can see. You can preview it on the mobile version, and you can also preview it on the desktop version. So you see how the website you've created is. So after this, it went on to ask me some questions, which I answered. And as you can see, this one is on Manus, no credits charge. It's completely free, so please make use of it till 25th though. I'm going to be sleeping on this. So I gave it my title, and then Manus AI, I uploaded 36 videos actually, and I talked about my AI content lab. So Manus AI started creating this. You can go on to give your feedback. If you don't like it, you can go on to give your feedback, and after it's finished creating everything, there were some corrections I wanted to do. You can click on this edit icon. Let's say there's something you don't like, you can click on it and then you edit it. So let's say, for example, I don't like this text, I want to edit it. I can edit it here, and then I can change the style, I can change the layout, and once I'm done, I can just save it, and it would reflect here. So this is the final website I got from Manus AI. And the beautiful thing about this website is everything is editable. So if there's something I don't like, I can go on to edit it, and as you can see, here are the videos I uploaded. So when I click on, let's click on YouTube, for example, it's going to take you to my YouTube channel. So that's TikTok. Let's click on YouTube. So whenever I click on any link, it's going to take me to that exact link. So this is something you should not joke with. This is it. When I click on it, it's going to take me to that link. So when I click on Facebook, it's going to take me to my Facebook profile, or it's going to take whomever is accessing this website to that particular profile. So please, this is free until the 25th. 25th is about 6 days from now, right? 6 or 7 days from now. So don't sleep on this. Go create your portfolio. Go create, at least this is a presentable, when somebody comes to you, when you give somebody the link and then the person checks this out, the person would know that, okay, yeah, you know what you're doing. And once you're done, once Manus AI is done creating it, you will see it would ask you if you want to publish it. So this is already published. That's why you're seeing published here. But in your own case, it would ask you something about, do you want to publish? So you just click on publish, and then it's going to give you a link. So that link is this. It's going to, of course, have manus.space because Manus created it. But if you want to go advanced and you want to create your own, or you want to have your own domain name, you can go get your domain name from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or one of these sites. But with this, I think you are good to go. With this, you are good to go. And of course, you will always have the Made with Manus logo here. It's not something that you can get rid of, except you pay. You have to pay. You understand, right? So please don't sleep on this. It's ending on the 25th of August. Ending on the 25th of August. So go create yours ASAP. So like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.